I just wanted to quickly walk you through a tutorial video in regards to your new geography assignment. So what you guys are going to be doing is you guys are going to be using Adobe Spark, which if you're in my class, you've already used it before. But this time we're actually going to shift gears and we're going to use Adobe Post, which is really cool because we are going to create a website which can be viewed for everyone in our class relating to natural disasters. So within the slide deck that I posted on your Google Classroom, you have all the success criteria, your rubrics being updated and posted on there as well. But I just want to walk you through, again, how to actually log in to Adobe Spark the most efficient way. So in the slide deck, which I've already said, I posted a hyperlink to take you right to the main page. But let's just say you couldn't get here for whatever reason. All you have to do is Google Adobe Spark, which you can see up in the upper left-hand corner. Now, when I get to this main page, all I want to do is, I've already bracketed this before, but where it says login in the upper right-hand corner, I would like you to select that option, okay? So once you select login, you will now be prompted. And what you want to do is you do not want to sign up for a free account. You want to leave that entirely. And what you do want to do is select the Google option, because this will allow you to sign in through your GoTVDSB account, and you will not have to sign up for anything, and everything's in the same place for your schoolwork. Yours might actually have, if you're signing in via a Chromebook, it might be a red box that you're actually selecting, but I'm going to go ahead and select my Google option, okay? So once I've done this, it's going to auto-populate and it's going to ask me, do I want to log in and allow this service? On a Chromebook, it'll ask you to allow, but because I've done this a few times, it's going to skip that step. Now, for my projects, you can see a couple different test pages here, and I have a couple other videos and whatnot. I am going to select this yellow addition icon, and I'm going to press that, and this is very important. Now I'm on this what would you like to create page. So there's Adobe Post, Page, and Video. But as I mentioned earlier, you want to select the Adobe Page option. So click on the blue icon. It's that easy. Once you have done that, you are now ready to create. Now, I'm just going to quickly just show you how easy it is to create this web page, okay? So I am just going to click on the add a title, and I am going to write just test and a subtitle, Mr. Tangretti. Awesome. Now let's just say you're like, well, that doesn't look very aesthetically pleasing, Mr. T. So I'm going to hit this addition icon again, and I'm going to select a photo. Now I have all different options for how I can get that photo, but for most of you, I think you're going to have to use the Find Photos option, okay? So I'm going to select Find Photos, and I want to find a photo of a cat. So I'm going to search cat. You can see it searching, and you're going to see Mr. T go, oh, I see all these cats. Well, I like this cat. So as soon as I do that, now I have another image, and it looks more visually appealing, okay? Now you will be able to edit these as you go. So don't panic if it's not something you love right away. Now if you scroll down, see where it says scroll to start writing your story, you can do that. And then when you hit this addition icon, now you can insert things like videos and links and text, and it'll really start to come together. So let's say if I wanted to try a video. Now I've already pasted a video link in here, and I'm going to save. Now this one, sometimes with the video option, I think I may have taken a private video. So what I might do is, in this case, I'm going to cancel my video, but I am going to go back and I'm going to select a photo again. But I want you to see what I can do differently with it. So I'm going to select this cat this time. And now notice, I have a few other options along the top. So I can make a fill screen. I can make my image of a cat just a window, and I can write a caption on top. I can make it full width, or I can replace it altogether with a different cat. And so you're not blocked by anything you do on the site, which is great. And all you have to do to keep telling your story is just scrolling down and selecting a new option. So then you can add text, you can add links to other pages. But remember, the goal of this assignment is to make something that is visually appealing, but educates the other students in the class on a natural disaster of your choosing. And you're only selecting one. So when you're only selecting one, I expect it to be more in depth, and we should all learn something. Now you can use the notes from class, and of course the lessons from class, whether it be Nearpod, slide decks, what have you, but I'm also encouraging you to do some of your own research through reputable sources. Please use your class time wisely and let me know if you have any additional questions before the due date, okay? Thanks everyone and enjoy.